Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm doing a video here to general maintenance on the new vehicle. That one there, just an oil change. No, I'm not going to make this about simple stuff like showing you guys how to do oil changes. There's nothing different about how you remove the oil from this engine. It's the filter. That's why I'm doing this video. The oil filter is not the conventional style and what I'm used to, so it's very weird. It's kind of reminiscent of the older style vehicles, like 50s, 60s, and probably earlier than that. So, show you this. Okay, do y'all see that little canister down there just past the dipstick? It's got that hexagon cap. Yeah, the oil filter is in there. So let me get it out of there and yeah, show you how that looks. Now, do y'all see that? I gotta say, it gets even weirder. Hold on a second. So I see that there's a spring in the center of this. Let me get you in here. No, I got it, but so yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a spring there, and gotta try and get that out of there. So hold on, guys. Grief.
I need these letters.
Can you get me some toilet paper and towels, please?
Paper towel. Told you you need my help. Paper towel.
I am recording, just so you know.
I'm not part of that.
Okay, so after taking that spring off of there, there's this little thing that sets in. So that obviously goes back in a specific way because it's got these little like notches on the bottom here. So everything's going to be full of oil here. It's going to make one hell of a mess. And the filter is in there. It is extremely smashed. Wonder why that happened. Whoever put that in last might not have known what they were doing, but does kind of feel like there's something there that sits. I think I'm starting to understand why that got so smashed. That goes in there. Let's get this out of my way. And they give you a new O-ring to replace on here. And if you have a pick, definitely use that. I don't have one. This could be a challenge, guys. I'm not sure I really care for this setup, but it reminds me of the old oil bath style on the older cars. You know what I mean? And then I gotta try and get this back on there. Not unless this all goes. Let's see if that makes any more sense. That way. So I guess that's how that works. You assemble it outside the vehicle, and it kind of snaps in there, as you see. And just snug that up again. Put your old dipstick back in. And this is actually a very messy process. It almost seemed like it would have been a lot easier, but it's not. Guess if it's really my first time actually attempting that, so maybe. now that I know, next time around. Not to do that. Give that a second to actually set to the bottom. And the vehicle is up. It's on an incline at the moment, so it might not read quite accurately. But put these things away. Let's see. Huh, why did I see that? Looks like it's in the right area. Should be good to go. Okay, so that concludes that. I don't know if that was useful to anybody. I hope it was. I just wanted you guys to really see that this was a little bit different than most vehicles, not having that nice little screw-on filter. It's on the top. So, okay guys, girls, whoever, till the next time. Hope you learned something. See you soon.